Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Gonna do a daily live trading room results recap from the 18th of April here. We started out real early this morning trading the ES. We had success, but yet we didn't have success being that we didn't make any money. But our analysis were right in the pre-market. We had a huge push to the downside in the ES like everybody knows, and we figured we would be going into some chop. But what happened was we broke out of a channel here and we started to sell off. So on that we took a retracement trade here on the smaller time frame. We used a larger time frame pre-market analysis showing us that we had a Fibonacci pullback to a major level and a downtrend. So what we were waiting for is we were just going to take the shorts. We went short here. We got +4 -2 for a +2 on the first position, and then a couple minutes later we had a retest. Our retest means we had a lower high in momentum, we had divergence in momentum, equal high, and we also had the tick using the 0 level as resistance on the NYSE tick. So we were looking to trade this to the downside. Unfortunately for us, I literally got stopped out to the tick. I had a 7 tick stop, got stopped out to the tick just before the market ended up heading back down. So it's part of trading, that's what happens. So the analysis is right. We just wasn't able to stomach enough, or I wasn't able to stomach enough. There were some guys in the room that were able to take this. So I ended up getting -12 in the ES right out of the gate this morning. But then we started trading a couple other markets. We went on to trade the Russell next. In the Russell we had a pre-market analysis that you can see. We're definitely trading down here, guys. But what was going on was we were making these little steps down, and we took a retracement. We knew it was going to be a tight trading day. We were looking to test back down at these lows, though. These overnight lows, these pre-market lows, we wanted to retest that. So what we do? We found previous resistance, little trigger zone here we have, and as the market traded back up to it and tested it, we took first entry. I went 2 contracts short, got +10, +13 for a 23 tick winner. And then as it failed and we had speed on to the upside, we were going to do the exact same thing to the long side. We went over, and you can see our little trigger zone here. We had previous resistance right here, guys. Previous support right here and right here becomes support. Used to be resistance. Right here's our other price level. So we came up with this little box here. It's like a trigger zone. So when the market traded down, we traded back up till it retested, gave us an entry short off of this low, and then when all of it failed, went to the upside, we did the exact opposite using these resistance levels to the long side. And on that one we got a +10 and then a break even. So we got +10 on that one. So not too bad trading the Russell today. It was a little bit of a tough, choppy market, being we've had so much volume recently. We knew pre-market we were going to come in, hey, this could be a little bit of a test of our nerve today, a little bit choppy, and that's what happened. So we were able to successfully make 23 and 10 ticks in the Russell. So that got us out of that hole that we were put in by the ES earlier. And then right at the lunchtime, we were wrapping things up. We were doing a members training, and we came up with a crude position here. As a crude, if you look left, we have some pretty good support. They got retested and bounced, so I kept on calling out this 87.40 level, guys. 87.40, I kept talking about it. Had guys in the room that actually went long here. I did not, because I didn't really want to trade into that resistance at the time. Ends up becoming new support for us. But I ended up waiting for the 87. I took a long there. I got my +5, and as I was +10, I was trailing up my stop. Sorry. I got snapped out of it really quickly, and then it ended up going up again. So all in all, it was a pretty tough day for me because I had some really great trades on. It's just one of them things. It happens to every trader. I got flashed out of a couple positions. You can see in this one, me getting only +5 on this position to the long side whenever we had plenty of move. Kind of stinks, but it's part of trading, guys. We had some really good learning today in the room. And I think you guys were able to take quite a bit more profit than I was, but I tend to be a little bit more conservative in the room. I call high percentage setups, and so that's me. I ended up good on the day, profitable on the day, but like I said, I had a couple positions I got stopped out of just before they decided to make their final move. So it's part of trading, guys. If you guys have any interest in coming and seeing me do this live in front of you and learning from me and exactly what I do, come to DirectionTrader.com and take a trial through the live trading room. That's it for today. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.